To verify if an alloy is in fact made of 316, attach the alligator clip, put on a test paper, part number 0100, select your power, which in this case will be high, add a drop of solution to the test paper so it's moist, then pass a current through the test paper and through the test metal. The timer, when it indicates 5 seconds, that's all you need. Turn the paper over, add about 2 drops of solution 5. You can follow that with another 2 drops of solution 1. After about a minute or so of time, you'll see a pink spot develop. The pink spot indicates that moly has been detected.